Hello friends, today we are moving to the next lesson of political science, that is the electoral process, which means how we are conducting election in our country and what is the necessary of an election, conducting election in our country like a democratic nation in India. So let's start with the introduction. Elections have played a major role in the working of India's democracy. Election and representation are two very important processes in democracy. We know that the people representatives are selected through elections. Election helps to bring a change in power through a peaceful means. We know that election have played a major role the working of India's democracy. इंडिया की जो डेमोक्रेसी में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इलेक्शंस है because that helps to representing people into the election and as well as they are participating in the democratical activities. And when the election conduct, it helps to change a peaceful means to change exchange the power. एक इलेक्शन के बाद दूसरा पार्टी आएगा नहीं तो वही पार्टी जीत जाएगा. They will came again as the power or the ruling party again. So that's helps a lot. So here is also that helps a lot to the elections are helping and bringing to change power in peaceful means. Otherwise it will create a lot of clash. Different political parties get an opportunity to rule और बहुत सारा अलग अलग पार्टीज को चांस भी मिलेगा. Policies of the government and life of the society also exchanges. We expect that the representative we elect should be efficient, honest and trustworthy, and that the people should respect the opinion of people. So what will happen? तो इसके वजह से वी एक्सपेक्ट ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इलेक्ट टू एफिशिएंट हॉनेस्टी एंड ट्रस्टवर्दी. हम जो इलेक्ट करता है वो जो हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बहुत एफिशिएंट भी होना चाहिए और एट द सेम टाइम दे शुड बी वेरी हॉनेस्ट, एट द सेम टाइम दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी ट्रस्टवर्दी, एंड दैट दे शुड रिप्रेजेंट द ओपिनियन ऑफ द पीपल. सो दे हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट द ओपिनियन ऑफ द पीपल. जो लोगों का बात उस लोगों को रेस्पेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, otherwise they will fail in the next election. So the people have the superior power. People are the superior power in the democracy. The electoral process should also be free, fair and reliable. At the same time election process कैसे भी नहीं चाहिए, free without any cost, and fair बहुत अच्छा भी होना चाहिए, and reliable to ensure that the constitution of India has made provisions for an independent election commission to administer the election process in India. तो इसीलिए इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऐसे इंश्योर किया है, अश्योर करके दिया है कि इंडिया की इलेक्शन कमीशन इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट बॉडी, दैट इज़ एन इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी in India, and they are conducting the election process in India. The election commission in India and the state level state election commission conduct all important elections in our country. The entire process of election from declaring the date of election to the declaration of the result is carried out under the direction of and the control of election commission. जो इंडिया में इलेक्शन कमीशन का अंडर में इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करेगा, and that's are divided again into state election commission and national election commission. They are conducting the election and they are from the beginning declaring the date. election का date declare करेगा पहले, at the end they are declaring the result. Up to that the election commission is responsible for all the election duties. The election process is an inseparable component of the comprehensive democratic process. So therefore the election is very inseparable. Inseparable means हमको separate कर नहीं सकता है, because that is very essential in the democratic process. This chapter we will understand the structure, function, the role of a election commission. We will also discuss the reforms required to be made in the electoral process. The first one is election commission. It's a very important point. In India, election commission is central to the process of election. Article 324 the Indian Constitution has established the autonomous body which consists of one chief election commissioner and two other commissioners. India में Article 324 says that to establishing a election commission in India, and they have an autonomous body. Autonomous means they have the power to work themselves. They are free and fair to work, not under the control of government. गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल नहीं है, दे आर ऑटोनोमस बॉडी है, मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी है. And again, one chief election commissioner and two other commissioners are there for a election commission. Election commission में सबसे सुपीरियर एक चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर है, और उस चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का नीचे दो अदर कमिश्नर्स भी है. And then the president appoints the election commissioner. Who is appointing? The president is appointing the election commissioners, and the chief election commissioner cannot remove from his post easily or on account of any political reason. This is necessary to so as to preserve the independence of election commission. There is a separate provision made for the expenses of election commission. तो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को ऐसे निकाल नहीं सकता है वो पोस्ट में से, बिकॉज ही हैज़ एनी पॉलिटिकल रीजन्स. कोई भी एक पॉलिटिकल रीजन की वजह से उसको निकाल नहीं सकता है, बिकॉज ही हैज़ सम स्पेशल पावर. दिस इज नेसेसरी सो आज टू प्रिजर्व इंडिपेंडेंस इलेक्शन कमीशन. सो वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट एक इंडिपेंडेंस इलेक्शन कमीशन प्रोटेक्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो दे आर नॉट अंडर द गवर्नमेंट. देयर इज़ अ सेपरेट प्रोविजन मेड फॉर एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ इलेक्शन कमीशन. इलेक्शन कमीशन का हर चीज़ का एक्सपेंसेस जो खर्चा है वो सब चीज़ें अलग मेड करके रखा है. इट्स एंटायरली डिफरेंट. द इलेक्शन कमीशन डज नॉट हैव सेपरेट स्टाफ. गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस, टीचर्स and other employees help the election commission to execute the process of election. इलेक्शन कमीशन को एक सेपरेट स्टाफ वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है. दे आर यूजिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स एंड टीचर्स एंड अदर गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज़ टू कंडक्ट इलेक्शन. इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट टीचर्स को यूज़ करेगा, और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में जो काम करते हैं वो स्टाफ को यूज़ करेगा. बाकी जो एम्प्लॉयज़ है, गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज़ है, वो सबको यूज़ करके इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करेगा. उसके लिए अलग स्टाफ कोई भी नहीं.